Hello there. Thank you so much for joining me back again on Stock Investing Chronicles on the Money Matters channel. And I'm your lovely host, ERGJ, bring you another hot video. And so today, I really want to kind of just share with you guys how I make money in the stock market. I've hopefully been building a foundation to help you guys to be inspired to start building wealth. And so today I kind of want to share a story with you guys from what transpired from one of our Empower conference calls, just a tip that I suggested to those that joined us on that conference calls, those that continue to be engaged with us as we continue to build wealth. And so hopefully today this story will help you guys to get started or to continue to be active in your money management. I truly believe that each and every individual has the power to manage their own money. It's just a matter of if you take interest in doing that. I've said before that I don't believe that if you were a person that was investing in the stock market back in 2007, 2008, I truly believe that if you had been actively investing, you wouldn't have seen the huge losses that many people saw. I believe that it's just a matter of those that chose not to pay attention to their money are the ones that actually lost a lot of money during that recession time. But ever since 2008, we've been in a huge bull market, or values of companies and stocks have been continuing to rise, and we're now at a point where we're reaching all-time highs. And so I kind of talk about what I see in the future, but that's not the point of this video. So I want to share with you guys a story about a great company, Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines. And here's kind of what happened recently with Delta Airlines. Back on September 30th, we had our first case of Ebola to hit the American soil by Thomas Eric Duncan flew from Liberia to America, and he was diagnosed in Dallas with Ebola. Well, back on October 3rd, Delta Airlines stock was $36.95 per share. And so there was this huge scare that took place where with the whole Ebola hitting the United States and the fear of a flight ban, that airline stocks took a plunge, a huge plunge. So from October 3rd to October 13th, Delta Airlines stock went from $36.95 to $30.90 per share, which is a 16% drop in value. So at this time, I mentioned to those on the Empower conference call that, hey, the airline stocks are great values. They are great opportunities to buy value. And as Warren Buffett would say, that you would buy when others are fearful, and you would sell when others are greedy. And so this was a moment where people were fearful. And I was saying to myself, after I looked at Delta Airlines, I looked at their top line revenue. I looked at their sales. In 2011, 35 million. 2012, 36 million. 2013, 37 million in sales. That told me that they were growing, that they were profitable, and there was continuous growth in their earnings. I looked at their bottom line revenue. 2011, which means basically their net income bottom line. Looked at 2011, 854,000. 2012, 1 million. 2013, 10 million. I said to myself, man, the people are selling this stock. They must be crazy. That's exactly what I thought to myself. And again, I'm saying that it's common sense sometimes, to be able to play off other people's fears in order to make money here in the stock market. So I looked at top line revenue, I looked at bottom line revenue, I looked at a 16% drop in 10 days from the Ebola fear or scare. Still no ban had been taking place, from travel to Africa. Nothing significant had happened other than someone contracted the virus, and unfortunately that individual died. So I told my followers, hey, this is a great opportunity to buy into an airline stock, a great company at a great value. Well, for those that took my advice, on October 27th, again, on October 13th, it was $30.90. October 27th, the price was $39.75, which is a 29% increase. So in 2 weeks, someone could have made basically a 29% increase just by buying what other people have sold. just by buying into a fear of a great company that basically went on sale. And guys, if you've been to the market, any market, and you've seen your favorite purse or your favorite pair of sneakers and you saw them on sale, you were quick to buy. Well, unfortunately, that sneaker or those purses, they don't bring you a return. But buying these great companies on sale can bring you a huge return. It can help in your wealth management, in your building towards retirement and things like that. So I just wanted to share that quick story with you guys, and hopefully it was inspiring. You can see numbers don't lie, for one, and two, learning how to not follow the crowd, but to understand news and to interpret it. It just makes sense. And so, you guys, get started investing. Learn how to make money. I'm helping people. I'm doing it myself. And, I can lead a horse to water, but I can't make him drink. So I want to leave this quote with you guys from Peter Lynch. He says, everyone has the brain power to follow the stock market. If you made it through 5th grade math, you can do it. And so I leave this message with you saying that you can do it. Thank you so much for tuning in to Stock Investing Chronicles. And until next time, guys, happy investing.